Hi everyone, my name is Nicole Brown and I've had class with most of you, so I am happy to see everyone again. So some of my personal assets is that I work for a Medicaid insurance which services the poor and underserved, and I'm also a youth liaison for a couple of youth groups, the Anderson Monarchs and their recreation center. So I do service populations who are underrepresented, as well as I've had the opportunity to work with my job in the capacity of helping those affected with social determinants of health. On a personal level, my assets are that I am a catalyst, essentially. Like I am driven to improve the quality of life of my community, those that I work with, my family and friends. I just know that life can be rough and people can sometimes be inundated with problems that they aren't able to solve themselves. So I am empathetic. I am also self aware, which makes me able to have good interpersonal relationships, which also allows me to apply social perceptiveness. And with that, I'm able to like read body language. Like, I don't always have to hear it. My friends often say, "Why are you psychoanalyzing me?" And I'm not really. I'm just really in tune with myself and with those around me, and I can just pick up on certain cues, and my alarms go off automatically and say that this person needs help. So I feel like this field for me has been a calling. I've always worked in a field of human services. So I just want to improve the quality of life with equity, of those that I do service, those who don't have a voice, those that have a voice but aren't sure how to use it and to get the proper resources. So I know I'm going on and on and on. And so some things that I like to do um, before this class, and I'm currently doing, is that I'm an active cyclist. I do cycle with a group called KRT QRT. I'm also into physical health. I do ride, I do walk, I do yoga, and I do indoor cycling with a group of moms. And the food that I love the most is seafood. Um, my two favorite is salmon and crab cakes. I can eat that with Brussels sprouts every single day, and that is pretty much what I eat every single day. I love the just the seasonings that go on seafood, and for the Brussels sprouts, I love the earthy taste. So I look forward to having class with all of you and learning in abundance.